Welcome to 1557 Banbury Drive here in San Ramon. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, sitting at 2661 square feet. Come check this out.
Hey Viv.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Come on in.
Thanks.
Don't worry, the kids are just getting ready for soccer practice, but let's check out this beautiful house.
Sounds good.
Viv, you gotta check this out. There's a downstairs ensuite, bed, bath, like a private suite. Come check it out.
Okay.
This beautiful home is centrally located to 8 of the 53 City of San Ramon parks. That's where these guys are headed right now. It is within walking distance of the elementary school, the middle school, and the high school. It's just a few short miles to BART if you need public transportation. And of course, there's one City of San Ramon library within a mile away.